Good morning. I'm getting ready to head to work, and you probably see my video the other day. I think it was yesterday. I was talking about the vaccine passport and immunity passports. You know, my wife, she's heading to the Bahamas with a few of her friends this week, and she had to take the COVID test. If you're going into the Bahamas, you have to take the COVID test, and you have to come back negative, or if you've already vaccinated, you just upload your documents. But when you're coming back into the States, regardless if you're vaccinated or unvaccinated, you still have to take a COVID test. You have to test negative before you come back in, or you have to quarantine wherever you're at. But anyway, I noticed that in the news, a lot of these companies, big companies, Google, Walmart, Ford, are requiring their employees to get vaccinated. It's a requirement. Even my wife, she got an email yesterday saying that her job is going to be requiring them to be vaccinated. She's in the medical field, you know, and even if they travel and you're not vaccinated, you're not going to get reimbursed. And they're just trying to force them to be vaccinated. Like my wife and I told you the story that we had COVID there and around February 1st, and my wife had more symptoms than me, and she built up a big immunity to this. Her antibodies are stronger than mine because of the complications she had, you know. So, but we tested after quarantine, we tested negative. So she just got her test results before she can go to the Bahamas. She got it last night around 2 o'clock, and she tested negative. So she don't have no problem going over there. You know, she's tested negative. But what she found out, that if you go outside the resort and to certain restaurants, they require you to be vaccinated to come inside to eat. And if you're not vaccinated, you can eat outside on the patio. Man, that's kind of strange to me. I told her not to go. She was kind of upset about that, you know. But she said, I've already paid my money, so I'm going to go ahead and go. Seems like the world is going back 100, 200 years ago. You know, instead of whites only, you know, in certain places back in slavery, it said whites only could come inside these restaurants or drink water from this fountain, black water fountain, white water fountain. Now they saying instead of white and black, they saying vaccinated and unvaccinated. It's like they trying to separate people. It's kind of crazy. And I guess it's okay. Maybe it should be like that. Maybe a lot of people could realize how people felt back in the days when they couldn't go in certain restaurants. So everybody could get a taste of this medicine. So if you're not vaccinated, you can't go inside certain restaurants in the Bahamas. And if you're vaccinated, you can come inside. So I know I won't be going to the Bahamas soon because I know I got immunities. Like I said, I've been tested, and you can see information about people who've had COVID and they have the antibodies, that they have a strong chance of not getting the virus again. They're proving this daily. So why don't they have an immunity passport? You know, so my wife, she's a little upset about that because of certain restaurants, if they go outside, she won't be able to go inside because she is not vaccinated. But she tested negative and she got antibodies for it. Very strange to me. You know, this world is going back into the past. You know, they're trying to me it seemed like trying to separate people, keep people away from each other. But I don't think it's going to work because a lot of people are figuring this stuff out. But anyway, if you like this video and you got stories you would like to share, put them in a comment. And thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel.